In over 60 years of natural history filmmaking, I have only encountered the species we are tracking down today a handful of times, due to recent increase in sightings, probably because of more funding. I have returned to Whitehall, Canterbury in this pursuit. The hunter becomes the hunted. Seen here in a natural habitat, an Enviroschools facilitator, looking for invertebrates.
Oh, tēnā koe, Sir David Attenborough. Welcome. Haere mai ki te nahari o te whānau Stanford. Welcome to our little piece of bush in our garden in Otatahi, Christchurch. I'm an Enviroschools facilitator. Are you on the hunt for me?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
I am.
You found me.
Yes.
Ko Crooks Peak da Maunga, ko Iota Awa, ko Bristol Channel te Moana, nor Bristol England da hau, ko Otatahi toku kāinga, he ka mahi o Enviroschools Waitaha, ko Matt Stanford toku ingoa, ko Josiah, taku tamaiti. I've been an Enviroschools facilitator for 10 years. If you'd like to find out more about my passions in this work and this kaupapa, I've got a little bit of a profile down below, so I hope you enjoy reading it. Ka kite.